Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw an image on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all we need to do just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go to the URL section, make sure to type Google Docs here and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And of course, if you are here, you would like to click at the first link and make sure to avoid any advertisement links. If it's the first link for you, of course, just look for any other links like this one. Make sure it's not an ad, as we said. So that now should take you into this page, and of course from here you'll be able to click at the sign in option at the top right corner to log in into your account. So of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at this sign up for free to create your account. So once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And of course, from here, we'll be able to create a blank page, open some of recent or some of their templates gallery. And of course, they provided here a lot of templates and they are totally free. Or you can just go here and open some of the recent documents, which I'm going to do here. And it's all already empty, so whatever. And as we said, we would like to draw one image. So of course, what we need to do is just go here and click at insert, and now we'll go to drawings, click at new, and here what we would like to do is just go and insert our image. Of course, I can insert an image or upload an image by URL or your album, Google Drive, or search, whatever you want. So let me just go and upload an image for myself here. We can just go to pictures and let's just choose this as an example. Uploading, we'll just wait until it uploads, and then here we will be with this page. Of course, you can just go here and select now the border color if you want. So let's select red as you want, and here I'm just going to select now the line, the arrow, or the scribble if I want to draw. And as you can see now, I'll be able to, sorry, let me just change the color to red as we said. And of course here I'm just going to write whatever or draw whatever I want. And of course will be good. I can even make it bigger if I want. And as you can see, I can draw whatever I want in the picture. Once I finish, I just have to click at save and close. And here we are, my page with the drawing. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.